Welcome to this video. We will guide you through deploying the self-organizing network solution with the Installer Kit tool. The solution allows basic calling, unlocking, and monitoring without internet access. Once connected to the internet, devices can be integrated into the SmartPlus cloud using the Installer Kit or the AK Partner app, enabling residents to create SmartPlus app accounts. This video shows how to upload devices to the cloud with the Installer Kit tool once internet access is available. This demonstration features the Installer Kit tool, the Doorphones R28, E12, and the indoor monitor C313. The R28 is installed at the public area, and the E12 and C313W are located in the resident's apartment. Please ensure that all devices are compatible and connected to the same local network. Check the video introduction for details on compatible models and versions. This video consists of 4 parts. Before you start, ensure that all devices have been configured properly. For instructions on setting up the self-organizing network solution on-premise, see the link in the video description. To upload devices to the cloud, the Installer Kit tool should be connected to the internet. If you want to connect it to Wi-Fi, tap the setting icon on the Installer Kit tool. Tap Wi-Fi. Enable Wi-Fi and select the desired network for connection. Since we have already connected it to an Ethernet, we do not use Wi-Fi here. Then, tap New Project on the home screen. Name the project and set the building number based on actual situations. Tap Next. Now, let's add devices on the Installer Kit tool. Tap Scan next to public devices. The Installer Kit tool scans for devices on the same local network. Check the desired door phones. Tap Submit. At the moment, the apartment devices are automatically added. For public devices, you can set up the device name, inputs, and network. For apartment devices, you can tap to change their apartment number, floor number, device name, and network. Tap Next. If there are other buildings, do the same to add devices. Check devices are all added before tapping Save and Configure. Tap OK. You will be asked whether to upload the project to the cloud. Tap Yes. When the upload finishes, Submission Successful will display. If you haven't logged in, you will be redirected to the login screen. You can also log in by tapping the setting icon on the home screen. Select Others and tap Installer Cloud Account. Enter your account name and password, which are the same as your SmartPlus installer web account. Choose your area and save. Login successfully will display. You can check, modify, and delete the project by tapping Existing Projects on the home screen. Once the indoor monitor is connected to the cloud, the SmartPlus QR code will display. Residents can scan it to register their SmartPlus accounts. If the QR code does not display, residents can also find it by tapping Settings, SmartPlus Account. Open the SmartPlus app and tap the scan icon on the login page. Scan the code. Fill in the information and tap Submit. It will display Registering Succeeded. The user's email will receive a welcome email from AccuVox. Scan the QR code in the email to log in successfully. Now, let's see how features work. Call the resident from the door phone, and the SmartPlus app receives the call. Answer the call and tap Open Door to unlock successfully.
Welcome, please come in.
Remember to subscribe, like, and comment. We'll make more technical videos to help you set up AccuVox products and solutions. Thanks for watching.